What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This is an extra special one. I am very excited about it. As you can see, this has already been taken out of the box. I have not actually opened this yet, but when I started the video, I realized it was just too dark in contrast to the black and red. And because I know what's in here, I knew that I'd need to fix the lighting. So anyways, I was contacted on Instagram by a gentleman named Israel with Arcane Designs, and he said, hey, we've got this prototype we've been working on. I'm really excited about it. Would you mind taking a look? And I'm not going to tell you guys that happens all the time with me, but it does happen sometimes. And I like to be positive on this channel, meaning I like to show you guys things that I'm excited about. Because if I'm not excited about it, then it doesn't translate well, and I also don't like being negative. I just don't like that. So I kind of pick and choose, and I look at the things that I want to look at. So I took a look at his design and immediately was like, I have never seen anything like that before. That is very cool. But I was equally, if not more, impressed with who he chose as an OEM, and that was Riot. And I know a lot of your ears just perked up. Just wait, it's cool. I'm very excited about this. I am also going to show his site where you can go to get notifications on this, because this is not 100% ready yet, but it's going to be very soon. And I know a lot of you guys are going to want to get your hands on this. I'm not getting anything for this. I'm just, the knife is just here to show you guys, and then it's going back to him. That's it. So I chose this because I was interested in it. So first off, the case is amazing. Israel, this is awesome, considering we see, a lot of the cases that we see are like this, or like the Pelican case, and those are cool, but I see them all over the place. This is completely unique. I think people will appreciate that. Let's go ahead and open this up here. Oh boy. Oh, I love the contrast already. Here we go. You ready? Look at that Tanto. That is so insane. Oh my gosh. So this is what grabbed my attention initially. And guys, there is for those of you who are not big into black, there is a satin blade available. The hyper aggressive Tanto on this knife is just incredible. This legitimately looks like something that came from the future. And I like that. It's like the hyper angular designs. Like when you see action movies that depict the future, and there's all these weird structures and buildings in the background. This looks like a piece of one of those structures. If I'm trying to think of a good example. But whenever there's some sort of crystalline structures or, exotic metal structures from some far off planet, right? That's what this reminds me of. This shard of precision. And I mean, it feels Riot right off the bat. I can tell you guys, yeah, this is definitely Riot. Just a little bit of encouragement, but those ceramic bearings are just perfect. We're looking at 6AL4V titanium. You're looking at a red aluminum pivot collar / overlay, which we're going to talk about here in a sec. And then M390 for the blade steel. God, this is just, Israel, I really like this. This is awesome. And this is coming from somebody, look at that centering. Perfect. This is coming from somebody who doesn't normally like Tantos, but that is just amazing. So anyways, there will be a full sort of review. I mean, this is still technically a prototype, but I think it's very close to the end design. This feels finished to me. This feels very finished. I'm gonna, look it over and talk about some things, but it feels finished. By the way, so he told me, he said, I've always loved the contrast between red and black. And I agree with him. It's a striking contrast. However, for those of you who don't know, in terms of the spectrum of colors titanium can be anodized to, red is not on there. Not this type of deep blood red. So just to add that contrast, he added this red aluminum overlay, or this pivot collar, and I think it works perfectly. It doesn't have, it's not raised enough to add any sort of unnecessary thickness to it, but it just adds a really nice look. God, this feels good. I really like this. Look at those lines on the titanium scales. Oh, that's so cool. Big fan of this, absolutely. So anyways, I know that a lot of you are thinking, yeah, okay, that's cool, but you said Riot, so that thing's got to be expensive. It's going to be expensive, but it's going to be less expensive than you guys would guess for Riyadh. I took a shot in my mind at what I thought he was going to aim for, and he was substantially lower. I can't get into it because, like I said, it's still a prototype and things still need to be finalized. But this is definitely one that you guys are going to want to keep your eyes on. Real quick here, let me move this out of the way. We're going to jump to his site, and I'm going to cut the lights real quick so you guys can take a look here. So if you go to arcanedesign.co, you'll be prompted. You can go through here and you can get some information on the design. Look how beautiful that is with the satin blade, by the way. Oh, so beautiful. You'll be prompted to sign up for email notifications, which I would recommend that you do if you're interested in this knife, so that you know when and what is going on. There is still a Kickstarter for this. I believe you can find all of this information on the site. Yeah, definitely go in here and take a look. It kind of gives some information about what their design philosophy was. And then you can also follow them on Instagram and Facebook. But I'm going to recommend that you guys do that, absolutely. And I will give you guys more information on this knife in the actual review. Just realized I pulled the plug here, and I have to bend back over to pick it back up. Let me move that back out of the way. But yeah, like I said, you'll be prompted to join the email list. Anyways, I'm going to have a lot of fun playing with this. If I haven't said it already, I'm not getting anything for this. I just choose the stuff that I think I'll be enthusiastic about. This knife is going right back to Israel as soon as I am done with it. So that's the truth of it there. Just wanted to make sure everybody kind of understands where this came from, and that there's nothing for me, there's nothing in it for me other than just enjoying showing it and being enthusiastic about it. So Israel, thanks for reaching out to me. I can't wait to do the review on this guy, but for the unboxing, that is going to be pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this upload, or you're excited about this knife, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.